Hi everybody, I'm here to do a ta-da on my finished shawl, which I made using up like 6,000 little balls of scrap yarns. But because I didn't, I made a fringe out of it. You don't have to sew in any ends, and I think that's a bonus. You can sew in the ends if you want and put your own edging on. If you don't really like fringes, that's possible. But why not? You know, it's big, it's bright, it's bold, and you can use up everything, including wee toady balls like this, because they were incorporated in the shawl itself. It's a 2-row pattern repeat, a row of trebles and a row of doubles. So if you can do both of those stitches, those are UK terms, you can do this. There's a video for how to do the fringe, there's a video for how to do the stitch itself, and a video for how to join in your new colours. So you can go from balls like this for the wider rows, and I'm going to show you the shape of this in a sec. And then for the start and the finish, you can go down to these wee small ones. I had, well, I looked for my double knitting, all my double knitting yarns, and I thought, I'm sure I have a few. Well, a few turned into about 10 bags, big bags of yarn, and I whittled 3 bags down to this. So that's what's left after I made this, out of 3 bags, big bags of yarn. So I think everybody could benefit from doing this, and it would make a lovely blanket too. And there is a section in this shawl which is straight, so you could learn from this and learn how to do the straight version for a blanket or a straight scarf. So it's this is the depth of it. I hope you can see. I'll turn around like this, and it's sort of a trapezium shape. I better take it off and show you. So can you see? I'm disappearing. Oh, hello. This is the shape of it. So it has a straight section in the middle, and then it tapers to a point at each end. And it's so long. Let me see, if I double it up, you'll see the length of it. It's over 6 feet wide. So that's half of it. You can wear it the way I was wearing it there. I double over the top part to make a little collar. And then it's very hard to keep your eye on the customer down at the bottom corner. Sweep it over like that, and that's one way. Or if you're wanting to wear it like this, oh, that's really cozy. And let's face it, we're all going to have a mask on soon, so it's going to go up like that. But that's going to be cozy for the winter. You could wear it just like an ordinary shawl. I'm going to have to take it back because it's so warm. I like to wear it like that because it covers your shoulders, and you can see more of it. So I really hope that you give it a go. I hope you like it, and you can choose your own yarns. I would say there's about 350 grams of yarn. I haven't actually weighed it yet in this shawl. So if you've got all those wee ends, one thing I would say is when you're putting the colours together, everything is okay, but use plenty of white and cream if you have it, because that really breaks it up. And use a dark colour to really make the other colours pop. And I have a couple of bits of red and this lovely sort of royal blue colour, and that just brings it alive, because otherwise it would be quite dull. But otherwise everything goes. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you soon. Bye.